Hi, and welcome to another video from the Costa Car Trader. Today I'm going to be showing you the 5 things I love and the 5 things I hate about this 84 Porsche Carrera. So let's start right now. This is a 1984 Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. It features a factory fitted wide body kit and is finished in marine blue metallic paint. It also features the deepest hand-forged Fuchs alloys I have ever seen on a classic 911. At number 5 on the list are these wheels. Now they're Fuchs wheels, they're hand-forged and they're pretty much indestructible. They're really good, strong wheels. But they're only 15 inch and I think that lets the car down a little bit. You know, they could do with being 17 inch because these small wheels, I think they make the car a little bit slower than what it possibly could be. So there we go, that's the wheels at number 5. So on number 5, the list of things I love about this car is the reliability. This particular one is an air-cooled engine and it is like bulletproof. This thing will just go forever. It's fantastic to drive. In fact, you could even use this car as a daily driver. That's how good it is. It's a sports car, performance car, and it, you know, it's a Ferrari. You can't drive it as a daily driver. It doesn't work. But this thing you can. So that's what I love about it. At number 4 on my list of things I hate about this Porsche Carrera is the floor mats. Now you're probably thinking, well, that's not a hard on, why don't you just replace the mats? Well, the problem is that if you take these mats out, you just got the metal floor pan. There's nothing underneath it. And as you can see, it's all disintegrating. One of the things I love about this car is the curves. Just look at this wheel arch. Look at it. It is stunning. This is the wide body version of the Porsche and it is so beautiful. Everywhere you look it just curves and it's sexy. Can I say that about a car? Sexy, yeah. There you go. So one of the things I don't like about this car is how much of a hassle it is to put the roof up and down. Modern cars, especially modern Porsches, you just push a button, boom, roof down, boom, roof up, few seconds, all done. This is a little bit more technical and I'm going to show you now. So to start off, you've got to put the sun visors down, then you've got 2 levers which you have to turn to unclip the roof. And then you then got to go into the back and you have to actually unzip the plastic window section, which can be a bit fiddly and a bit of a pain in the ass. Then once you've unzipped the boot, you've got to tuck it in. If you don't tuck it in nicely, it can kind of catch on the roof. Then you push the roof all the way back down and job done. So that's how you put the roof down on an 84 Porsche. You know, you got to do some inside, you got to do some bits outside, in, out, in, out. It is a bit of a pain in the ass, but you know, what can you do if you want an old Porsche? So another thing I love about this car is the dashboard. The way it's laid out, it's like it's a proper sports car. It's perfect. You've got the 5 dials and in the center of the dials is the rev counter, which is like the main one that you need. The speed one, it's a little bit over to the side, but you know, you don't care what speed you're doing. You just want to see the revs and it is perfect. So one of the things I don't like about this car is the location of the ECU unit. Porsche thought it was a really good idea to put it underneath the driver's seat. Now, under certain circumstances, that might be fine, but in a Cabriolet, not such a great idea. You know, on a damp day or in a cold country, you can get moisture building up inside the cab, and that can affect the ECU unit. And also I had a friend whose roof was leaking, it got wet inside the car, and it blew the unit. So, you know, not such a great idea. Okay, so another thing I like about this car is the fact that it holds its value. If you invest in one of these Porsches, you're not really going to lose much money apart from maintenance, because you buy this car now, 5 years from now the value is just going to go up. You could actually make money buying one of these Porsches. So that is one of my things that I love about this car. Okay, so at number one on our list of things I hate about this Porsche is the repairs. You know, this car is very reliable, it doesn't break down very often, but when it does, oh boy does it get expensive. Because it's an old 84 Porsche, trying to get parts is not easy, and when you do get them, they're bloody expensive. And on top of that, Porsche mechanics seem to be the most expensive mechanics in the world. So great car, love the car, fantastic car, but when you've got to do some work on it, it can get a little bit pricey. Okay, at the top of the list of things I love about this Porsche is the engine. It's a 3.2 air-cooled engine, and it gives such a completely different driving experience to any other sports car. It's positioned at the rear, which some people think is a bad thing, but I personally think is a good thing because it puts the whole weight on the rear wheels, giving it more traction. So that is on the top of the list, is the engine, because it is such a unique experience. So there we go, that is the 5 things I love and 5 things I hate about this Porsche. It was actually quite hard trying to find things I hated about it, because it's a really good car, I really like it. So I might have been a bit nitpicking at a few of them, but there we go. That's why I love and hate about this car. So if you like this video and you want to see more like this, then hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell next to it as well, so you don't miss any of our videos. And I'm going to put 2 videos above here. One is going to be the news, and another one's going to be a video which may be of interest to you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.